video is going to be super quick. It's basically just a bonus video this week giving my opinions of how I fared wearing press-on nails for a week. And I did actually make it the whole week, which I'm pretty impressed with myself. I lost 3, which you'll see in the video that I have, the little video clip showing what, how they did after the week. And I think that's because my thumbnails are flatter than the rest of my nails, and like you heard me say in the first video about putting on the press-ons is that the C-curve was too tight, and they just didn't fit my thumbs, and it didn't take long, and the thumbs were like, no, I can't do it anymore, and they were gone. And then my other pinky nail, I want to say it was too small. My actual pinky nail was too small, and I was wearing the smallest size press-on, but I probably should have taken it down on the sides a little bit more than I did, and I think that's why that one went. But the 7 that stayed were stuck. Like, they were on there good. They weren't going anywhere. So if I wanted to actually wear press-ons for a longer period of time, say, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, if they fit well, I am really confident that they would stay. So it's something that I will definitely keep in mind for the future. If I want to do a fancy character, to do even just a press-on on the nail that I want to do the character and leave the rest of them my typical acrylic overlay. So we'll see how it goes. I'm sure I'll be doing more in the future just to play around with it. I'm really impressed with how well these stayed. The ones that did stay, the other 3 were gone in like 24 hours. It was really quick, but those other ones were really good. So if you're interested in press-ons, I would say it's a reliable way to do things. And then here's just a little video clip of what happened after the week. So here they are. Like I said, the pinky nail was gone on my left hand, and then both thumbs. I'm not too upset with how well they stayed. I thought that I might actually lose more than that, and they didn't bug me as much. Like, they didn't feel loose, or they didn't feel wiggly or insecure. So I'm happy with it. So I hope if you guys have ever considered wearing press-ons, just use a more flexible tip to start with, and you should be good to go. And if you want to see the video of applying them, I will put that in the description box below. See you next time. Bye!